In this tutorial, I am using Silk all-in-one mineral paint in black sands. When you open the container, sometimes the paint is separated from the top coat. You want to give it a good stir. This takes a couple of minutes. This paint is a one-step paint. It contains the primer, top coat, and paint in one container. It has excellent coverage, and usually it only takes 2 coats. So on this demonstration, I will show you how easy it goes over a dark green color. The paint is self-leveling. You want to use Dixie Belle's synthetic brush and go in one direction and do not overwork the paint. Also, be sure to go back and make sure you don't have any drips. As the paint is self-leveling, it does tend to move, and you make sure you check your edges. This took me about 2 minutes to paint. I will let it dry for an hour, and then after 2 hours, I can do a second coat. The paint has a 21 to 30 day cure time, and be sure not to put any objects on it. You can also add gator hide or a top coat to the paint if you want an additional coverage. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Silk mineral paint comes in 20 gorgeous colors, and we have all the colors available at painttransferdesign.com.